It's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. No, it's not my birthday yet, very soon. So hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you guys another birthday look, inspired, yes, because very soon is my birthday, so I'm going to do a makeup look. So I just want to do like different looks to show you guys which one I like the most. So today I come out with this look and I really like it, yes. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to see a full outfit. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube page, Instagram and my Facebook like page. I'll put all the link in the description box. Connect with me, connect with your girl. I'm gonna put an outfit picture on my Instagram. You guys come connect with me and tell me what you guys think. So let's jump into the tutorial. And one thing, press on that notification bell, but then press on the one that says see all videos so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So let's jump into the tutorial. So you know how sometimes you'll be trying to do in a look and you'll be like, I don't know if this look is coming to life, so I'm like, let me first do this one eye, and if the look comes to life, then we're gonna do the next eye. So the palette I'm going to use today is this Morphe 35 hour palette. So I've already done my primer eyes. I use my Makeup Revolution concealer and I set it with the LA Girl setting powder. So I'm going to use this shade here to transition. I'm gonna use this to blend it like here, just transition, blend, and then I'm going to a little bit with this other shade here. I'm gonna put it there and blend. I'm gonna drag it a little bit out and upwards, just blend it on top of each other. Just gonna blend, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this shade here, I don't know if you guys can see it, and I'm just gonna like put it right here, just dab it here and take a little bit and then dab it here. Just dab and dab, and then you're just going to take the two and then cross it, blend it. Don't put it there on your lid, just above it, like blend to get that really nice smooth transition. Take more shade and just like put it like there, just so that the pigment can stand out. Try to and then blend it a little bit. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this shade here, you're going to mix this and this together, but first you're going in with this one. You're going to put it on top of that shade that you put here. You're going to first press it. You're not going to blend yet, you're first going to press it, like press. And then now you're just going to blend it upwards a little bit. Going to take a little bit more, drag it upwards and blend. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take this really dark brown, you're going to put it on top of this so that the shade or the color can be a little bit intense. You're just going to press it and then you're going to like blend it. try to merge the two colors together. So what you're going to do, you're going to first take that brush, and then you're just going to blend it like here, just to get rid of any harsh line. And then you go in again with this brush. Use this side, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of product and just like focus like right here, and then blend it out. Like you're going to try, like you're going to cut your crease, but then just make that one a little bit darker, and then blend. So you guys can see I have a little bit of fallout, but it's okay. So now that is done, you're going to take your brush, you're going in with this gold, and I'm going to use that to like trying to cut my face. Going to press. You're going to put that shade all over your lid. To be honest, I like using my finger to apply pigment because you guys see, I feel like with my finger it applies better. Okay, and then I'm just going to use the brush to get where my finger couldn't touch, like right here, to cut that crease. Blend everything together. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use this color here. I'm going to try to like blend for a very soft, I'm going to mix it with this dark brown for a very smooth transition between the gold and the black. So now I'm going to take the first brush I used to transition with a little bit of product, and I'm just going to try to blend so that you don't see any harsh line. Carry too much foundation in espresso and deep gold. I'm going to mix these two together. I'm going to pump it on my brush, just because one is a little bit too lighter and the other one is a little bit too dark. My neck is lighter than the rest of my body, so to have a foundation that is going to match my neck is going to be too dark for my face. So I hope you guys understand that, because some people will be like, oh yeah, your face is lighter and your neck is darker. That's how just my skin is just like that. There's nothing I can do with it. I just learn to deal with it the way it is and still do my makeup. But you will still have people who will tell you your foundation is too light, your face is too dark, your neck is this. I'm going to take a little bit of the espresso, just one drop. So now I'm going to highlight with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C14. I know it's not that. I'm going to also put a little bit of the C12. I'm going to take the Essence setting powder, banana powder. I'm going to use that to set. So now I'm going to use the Black Opera setting powder to set. This is in Deep 05. This is the LA Splash lipsticks. Now it's time to do my favorite part, which is highlighting. Yes, guys, I love highlighting. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette, this sleek highlighter palette. But first I'm going to highlight my inner corner, my eyes, with this Primark highlight. I'm going to use this white one to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm gonna drag it a little bit inwards, just a little bit, like that. I just like highlighting with that palette. And now we're going to take the sleek highlighter palette. I'm going to take I've already highlighted my eyebrow, you guys can see, so I don't need to highlight. I'm going to take this gold one here. I'm going to highlight my nose. Yeah, like that. And then just like blend it. So now it's time to highlight my cheek. You guys can see, as soon as I start highlighting my face, like my whole face starts being awake, like my face was sleeping. So I'm going to take this gold one here. Like, I love this highlighter, this gold one. I'm going to, yes. Okay, hair, get out of the way. So this is the finished result. I had to take off this LA Splash lipstick because I did not like the way it looks, really patchy. And I also I read behind the package is almost expired, so that's why it was looking so weird. So I went with this Nabla cosmetic lipstick. This is my favorite. So yeah, so this is the look. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is again Amy. Bye. Doeg. Vergeet niet te abonneren.